In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and sign up for the GitHub Student Developer Pack using Google Chrome. Whether you're a seasoned student coder or just starting out, this valuable resource can give you access to an array of tools and services to enhance your projects and learning. So let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward guide. First things first, you need to open up Google Chrome, which is one of the most popular web browsers out there and known for its speed and efficiency. So go ahead and click on the Chrome icon, and once you're there, you'll be greeted by the familiar Google search page. This is your gateway to accessing the wonderful world of the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Now in the search bar, right at the center of your screen, type in GitHub Student Developer Pack. This pack is a fantastic bundle, offering students access to a variety of developer tools at no cost, and it's perfect for those who are keen on expanding their tech skills. Once you've typed that in, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Google will then work its magic and bring up a list of search results. You'll want to focus on the first result that pops up. Google, being efficient as it is, usually places the most relevant content front and center. In this case, it should be the official GitHub Students page. This is your target, so go ahead and click on it. This page offers a wealth of information about what the Student Developer Pack includes, from free access to cloud services to essential developer tools. After you're on the GitHub page, look for the option that says Sign up for Student Developer Pack. It's typically an unmistakable call to action that guides you to begin the sign-up process. Here you will need to provide some student verification details, as the pack is exclusively for students. Double-check the requirements, which may include having a student email or offering proof of enrollment. GitHub uses this information to confirm your student status to give you access to the tools and services. Once you've submitted your information, it's just a matter of waiting for confirmation from GitHub. They will verify your details, and if everything checks out, you'll be able to access all the benefits that come with the GitHub Student Developer Pack. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to get your GitHub Student Developer Pack. Working with such resources is a great way to augment your learning and get ahead on your projects. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident navigating the online resources available to you. Keep coding and make the most of your new tools. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with more tips and tech guides.